Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now in this review, I'm going to be going through the Aion EA for MT5. So jumping straight into the MQL5 marketplace overview, we can see that what stands out from this EA is that it is built around a very structured price action concept. It's based on engulfing signals. All right. And that is combined with moving average trend filtering. Okay. So instead of being overly complex or overloaded with indicators, it focuses on a clean combination of trend direction and candlestick behavior. All right. Now the EA is currently priced at 149 US dollars. Based on what we can see here, there is a promotional discount offering it at 99 US dollars for early copies. It's developed by Mario Caras and it's already been activated on multiple accounts, which suggests that it's being actively used and tested by traders. Now, before I even go deeper, one important thing I like is that this EA does not use martingale. All right, and it relies on proper risk controls like stop loss, trailing stop, and trailing step. Now that alone already changes how I approach the testing. So let's just break down what's actually going on under the hood in a more practical way. The first thing is the trend identification system, which uses moving averages. So instead of just blindly taking trades, the EA tries to understand whether the market is trending upward or downward based on a selected trend time frame, usually something like H1 and above. Okay. Now, what's interesting is how it combines that with engulfing candle detection. So essentially, it's waiting for a strong candle reversal or continuation pattern, but only in the direction of the trend. So this is actually important because it means the EA is not trying to trade every single engulfing candle it sees. It filters them. So in ranging markets, it should ideally reduce noise, but in strong trending conditions, it becomes more active. Another key part is the flexibility in settings, right? You can adjust moving average type, engulf strength, bar sensitivity, trailing stop and trailing step, right? So this makes it highly optimizable, but also means results will vary depending on how well it is tuned for a specific pair. So in simple terms, it's not a set and forget blindly expert advisor. Okay, it requires optimization per pair if you want consistent behavior. Now I have already downloaded the free demo, which can only be used on the strategy tester, and that's what we are going to be doing shortly. All right, we are going to be testing the Aion EA on any pair of our choice. We're going to be running it on the H1 time frame. So let's head over to the settings. The strategy tester. We're going to be running it on Euro USD H1 time frame, and let us select the Aion EA. We're going to be running the test from the beginning of this year till date. All right, so we can get at least close to 4 months of backtest. And I will recommend that you test it over a longer period of time so you can get a more comprehensive results. Okay, so I am starting the backtest now, and we can already see price action forming, and the EA has executed the first trade and set stop loss accordingly. All right, so what triggered this is probably a clear bullish engulfing pattern aligned with the moving average trend direction. We can see that here. Price is above the trend. You can see the buy trade executed here. You can see the stop loss set below the moving average, below this swing low. All right. So you'll notice that the stop loss is defined. So risk is controlled from the start, which is good. Now, as price continues, we can see that the EA is holding the position without interference. This is not a scalping in and out system. It's allowing the trade to develop based on momentum. Okay, so I'm just going to continue the test so we can see that more trades are being executed. Now we have a sell trade that has been executed alongside a defined stop loss. Okay, we can see the sell trade executed here. We can see price was trading below the moving average, and we can see the stop loss, defined stop loss. Okay, and you can also see the fixed lot that is being used, 0.01. All right. So so far so good. We are having a great risk to reward ratio. So let's just continue the test. All right. We're seeing another trade has been executed. Okay. Now we have come to the end of this test. Let's just head over to the results to see how the EA performed. All right. So the initial deposit was 3,000 US dollars, and the total net profit is just 29.53 US dollars. So that means that we had just almost 1% profit over the past approximately 4 months. There were only 4 trades taken. 2 were short trades, 2 were long trades. Now the 2 short trades were losing trades. You can see 0% won. The 2 long trades were all profitable. Okay. The largest profitable trade was $30.18. The largest losing trade was $4.69. That tells us that the risk to reward ratio was actually excellent, just like we observed during the test. The average profitable trade was $17.45. The average losing trade was just $2.69. Excellent risk to reward ratio. All right, but you will notice that only 4 trades were taken. So the expert advisor was careful with the number of trades being executed. It's not a high frequency trading expert advisor. All right. So remember that these are purely historical backtest results, so they should be treated as a performance simulation, not a guarantee of future outcomes. What we can observe is that performance is heavily dependent on the chosen settings, the currency pair, and the market conditions during the tested period. In trending conditions, the EA performs noticeably better because the engulfing plus moving average combination has more structure to work with, but in ranging conditions, drawdowns and false signals can increase. Also, it's important to mention that results can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spread conditions, lot sizing, and optimization quality. So, this is not something you just install and expect identical results across all accounts. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.